I have a brand new tool to show you here in the Smart Wood Shop today, but I think it'll be a little different than what you normally see here. Hi, I'm Ron Polk, and this is my Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build Smart Wood Shop, Smart Station, or the Smart Workbench, there's a link in the description of this video down below. What is this new tool? Well, it's a camera. That's right, a video camera. DJI OSMO Pocket 3. That's right. This little bitty camera right here that I can wrap my hand around is a 4K camera with a 1-inch sensor that has the ability to follow me around. Not only that, but it includes an internal audio receiver and this microphone so that I can wirelessly talk directly to the camera without adding a receiver and wires and plugins like I had to do with all of the other systems. In addition to that, it's brand new, so some of the accessories I've ordered, I'm waiting on them to be delivered or become available. They're back ordered. One of them is a second microphone. This system is set up for 2 channels so that I can be interviewing people and mic the other person separately and record that dialogue in independently so that I can adjust it and make it sound good for you. Now I could do all of this before, but a lot more work. In fact, I have the DJI wireless mic kit, which has been great, the best setup I've had to date, but it does have a receiver, and I have to plug that receiver into whatever camera I'm using, set it up and keep it charged and treat it separately. So it's one more thing that can go wrong, whereas this, at least it's a one less step to get rolling. The other thing is that it's small. Again, I can wrap my hand around this, a pocket. It's got a little case. I can literally put it in my pocket, walk around, just pull it out, flip the screen on and start shooting. My other system, I've recorded hundreds and hundreds of videos with these 2 cameras. These are Sony camcorders. They are fantastic. These have been just workhorses for me, and they're getting up there in age. They're at least 6 years old, maybe older. And the fact that these are both 1-inch sensors and 4K way back then says a lot. And the fact that they are still going strong. In fact, my B cam, this one, was on the crane in the other shop and it got knocked over and hit the ground hard and didn't look so good and didn't work so good. So I had to send it into Sony and they completely rebuilt it for me and it's like new. That was years ago. I'll hang on to these. These will be my backups. And when I build my big new shop, which I'm going to bring you along with when I do that, I'll keep these and I'll get the crane out and put this up and we'll continue to use those because I can leave them set up. Can't do that here. So every time I shoot, there's a lot of setup to get ready. But with this one, I think that this one camera will replace both of those. Because with those, I had 2 static cameras and had to pick a spot and then move them around a little bit as I was going. This one, with Follow Me, I think that I'll be able to set it up a little closer, go to the miter saw or the router table, come over to the table saw, and have the camera follow me around so you can see what I'm doing and keep it interesting. And then when I get up to the tool, then I can cut over to the POV cam, which shows my hands wide angle, and you can see exactly what I'm doing, whether, again, I'm at the table saw, the router table, come over to the miter saw, and I can cut them back and forth. And this happens to be a DJI OSMO Action 3. I've had the POV for years and years. For a long time, it was a GoPro, all the way through the GoPro 10. I think they're on the 12 now. But that was just a fail for me. I mean, it worked. It's beautiful video. But GoPro has always been really buggy. And they overheat and they crash. And then they've got these cages you have to do to have microphones. And you had to pull them apart and pull the battery to get it to reset and then put it all back together. And a lot of times I just lost the POV video and I was stuck with just the one or the two angles with the Sony. When I got the DJI Action, the batteries lasted longer and it's not one time overheated or crashed. So for me, you know, if you're out and you are using your video, if being out using my video cameras to produce content, I need the cameras to work. First and foremost, they need to be dependable. If I have a choice between beautiful video and a dependable camera with good video, all day long, I'm going to go with this one. Although the beauty of this is I get both beautiful video and a dependable camera. So again, with the audio and the two cameras being DJI, in fact, my third camera that I'll do B-roll with is my drone, which is also a DJI Mavic 3, and it has the same active track. So having the menu systems the same, it'll help free me up to be creative and productive in making videos so that I can bring you along, little short ones as well as long. Here at the Smart Wood Shop, that's the brand new tool, the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you like the video? Do you like the audio? Is the tracking going to be something that you think is going to add to the content? I'm really glad you were able to hang out with me today at the Smart Wood Shop. Mahalo.